Hello my friends, I haven't updated my video for a while. Where did I go? I took a break for a few days, but now I'm back to share more delicious recipes. Let's try something new today that can be cooked all year round. Yes, this is the yummy vegan broccoli soup recipe. I really like this creamy coconut broccoli soup. It is so delicious and healthy, completely vegan. Let's get started. I got 2 cups of broccoli, 2 cups of leeks, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of fennel, some green onions, it's optional, 2 cups of chopped onions, sage is used for decoration only, a few cloves of shallots. Put the shallot in the pot on high heat. Wait until it turns a little bit golden. Add onion and fennel. Stir fry until it becomes translucent. Add carrots and then the rest of the vegetables. Stir fry for a minute or 2 to mix all ingredients together. Put the lid on for about 2 minutes to cook faster. Stir every 30 seconds to avoid burning at the bottom. The veggies do not need to be fully cooked. Just half done is good for now, because we will boil it in the soup later. I'm going to use a blender to blend all the veggies. Put a cup of vegetable soup and a cup of water in the blender first. If there's no vegetable soup, just use 2 cups of water. I got a lot of vegetable this time, so I blended in 2 batches. So there's 4 cups of water in total. I like the soup to be more creamy and smooth, so I blend it for a little bit longer. After that, pour the soup back to the pot and boil it. Stir constantly so the bottom does not stick. After the soup starts to boil, add a can of coconut cream. Continue to stir and let it boil. If you feel the soup is a little bit watery at this time, you can add some cornstarch to make it thicker. When it is ready, add salt to your taste. Alright, a bowl of yummy vegan broccoli soup is right in front of you. Add a hint of black pepper powder, and I like to add a few crunchy shredded coconut chips on the top. This creamy coconut broccoli soup is so delicious and healthy. I'm sure you will love it. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others. I wish you a joyful weekend.